morning children, how are you? Are you following maths class, maths digital classes? Okay, are you doing homeworks? Good. How many members purchased books? So by reminding members also, from today onwards we are going to start our syllabus series. Okay? So follow regularly and do given homeworks. Maintain textbook, workbook and classwork. Understood children? So don't skip the classes. Okay? So today I am going to teach number names. Already we learned number names in previous classes. Number names, expanded forms. So we learned in previous classes. But again I am going to teach number names, expanded form, next representing on abacus. So all those we are going to learn today. Understood? So this is our first chapter. What is the name of first chapter? Let us revise. So let us revise. Actually I started before only. Let us revise. Again I am going to teach from our textbook, from our content book and workbook. Okay, first chapter is let us revise. Can you say a 3-digit number? Your wish, any number you can tell. Your wish. Okay, 256. Is it a 3-digit number? Is it a 3-digit number? Yes. So 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So it is a 3-digit number. Do you know what are the place values in these 3 digits? What are the place values? Ones place. Always we should start writing place values from last digit, from right side. So right side first digit in ones place. First place is ones place. Ones after that tens place. Tens place after hundreds place. Understood? Ones, tens, hundreds. Can you read this number? 256. So what is that number? 256. 256. What is the number name? 256. So this is 256 now. It is nothing but a number name. Understood? We are reading this number as 256. So because of that, this is called the number name. This is called number name. Next, number name after that expanded form. So do you know what is the expanded form? Before going for expanded form, so first I will teach the place values. First I will teach the place values. Here 6 in which place ma? 6 in ones place. So what is the place value of 6? What is the place value of 6? 6 in ones place. Fine. 6 in ones place. So place value of 6 is place value of 6. What is the place value of 6? What is the place value of 6? Place value of 6 is 6. Understood? 6 in ones place. Because of that, place value of 6 is 6. Next, what is in tens place? What is in tens place? 5. So what is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 5 in tens place. Because of that, place value of 5 is 50. 5 is 50 because it is in tens place. 5 tens are 50 or 5 tens. Understood? Place value of 5 is 50 or we can write 5 tens. And here place value of 6 is 6 or 6 ones also we can write. Understood? And next, 2 in which place? form. This is called the expanded form. And one more thing, we are going to learn representing on abacus. So representing on abacus, this is the abacus. This is abacus. So on this abacus we have to write place values. Either here or here also we can write ones, tens, hundreds. Here these lines are called spikes. Understood? These are called spikes. So here ones, tens, hundreds. 3 place values are there now. So we need 3 spikes. 3 spikes abacus. If 2 place values are there means we have to take only 2 spikes abacus. Okay. So here ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 3 spikes are there. So to represent the number on abacus, we have to draw beads on spike. Understood? Here in 256, how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. So we should draw 2 beads on hundreds spike. Understood? We should draw 2 beads on hundreds spike. Next 5 tens are there. So what we should do? We should draw 5 beads on tens spike. 5 beads on tens spike. And next, how many beads on ones spike? 6, because 6 in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads on ones spike. So this is nothing but 256. This is called representing on abacus. Understood? This is number name, place values, expanded form, and representing on abacus. This is 3 spikes abacus. What are the place values? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Understood? Now all of you take out your textbooks, content book. Take out your content books. This is called content book. This is called the content book, and this is workbook. My observations. It's nothing but worksheet. Okay, 2 books are there, 2 parts are there. Part 1 worksheet. Only 1 content book and 2 workbooks are there. So you have to take part 1. Okay. So now in content book, all of you open page number 9. So page number 9. Write the number names for the following numbers. So you have to write the number names for the following numbers. Already you learned number names, so you have to write the number names. All are 3-digit numbers only. So take out your classwork. Take out your classwork. In classwork you have to write. Use pencil only. Use pencil and write neatly. So write the number names. Write the number names. Write the number names for the following numbers. Number names for the numbers. For the following numbers. For the following numbers. Here numbers are given. We have to write the number names. So first one, 174. How many digit number it is? 3-digit number. So what is the number name of this number? 174. Very good. Write in your classwork. 174. 74. And next one, 326. What is the number name? What is its number name? Yes, 36. And the next one is 608. What is the number name? What is its number name? 608. 608. And the next one is 756. So what is its number name? 756 is nothing but 756. 756. And the last one is 983. Last one. Ye 983. What is its number name? 993. 983. Yes, it is right. So 83. Understood? So wherever you find a 3-digit number, try to read that number. Then you can learn number names perfectly. Okay, wherever you find numbers, 3-digit numbers, okay, you have to read that number. Not only 3-digit, 2-digit numbers also you have to read. And now next, place values. Next, place values. Open page number 10. Page number 10. Write the place value of the underlined digits in the following numbers. Here in practice zone 2, here numbers are given and they are underlined one digit in each and every number. So we have to write the place values of that underlined digits. Already I explained how to write the place values of the digits. So now take out your textbooks, close your classwork. Practice zone 2 and 3 in textbook only. So take pencil and textbook. Open textbook. Practice zone 2. Place values. Write the place values of the underlined digits. Of the underlined digits. So first one, 289. So which digit is underlined? 9. So 9 in which place? You can write the place values also. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So underlined digit is 9. 9 in ones place. So what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9 is 9 because it is in ones place. So place value of 9 is 9. Next, second one, 473. So underlined digit is 7. 7. So again write the place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 7 in which place, Nana? 7 in tens place. So place value of 7 is 70. Right. And third one, 9 is 9. Here 5 in hundreds place. So its place value is 500. Here 7 in tens place. So its value is 70. Here 8 in tens place. So its place value is 80. Understood? And next, representing numbers on the abacus. So representing the numbers on the abacus, here abacus is given. Understood? So 3 spiked abacus is given. So 4 questions are there. You have to represent this number on this abacus. So to represent the number, what we should use? What we should do? We should draw the beads. Understood? So 234. So how many? So first one, 234. We should represent this number on the abacus. So to represent that number on the abacus, they drawn abacus also. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. 3 spikes are there. So this one we have to represent on abacus. Besides that, they are given place value table also. Ones, tens, hundreds. So in 234, how many hundreds are there? 2. Tens 3 and ones 4. So 2 hundreds are there. Because of that, we have to draw 2 beads on hundreds place, on hundreds spike. So 1, 2 beads and 3 tens are there. So we should draw 3 beads on tens place. 1, 2, 3 beads. And next 4 ones are there. How many ones are there? 4. So we have to draw 4 beads on ones spike. It is nothing but 234. Is it right? Yes. Now complete remaining. So 2 remaining sums. 508. So you have to complete in your book, textbook. We will write the questions. You have to complete the representation in your book. 785. Hundreds. And the last one is 947. 947 abacus, tens place and hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds place, and here also place value table. Now represent second one on abacus. So before representation, write these numbers, write this number in place value table. Here how many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. How many tens are there? 0 tens. And how many ones are there? 8 ones. Okay? Now represent this 5 hundreds on abacus. So draw 5 beads in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 0 tens. So how many beads we should draw on tens spike? We should not draw any bead. And how many ones are there? 8 ones. So we should draw 8 beads on which spike? Ones spike. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spikes. Okay? And next, ones, tens, hundreds. 785. How many tens are there? 8. So 8 beats on tens spike. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones are there? 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones on ones spike. Understood? And next 947. Same represent same first write this number on place value table. 9 hundreds, 4 tens and 7 ones. Now represent that number on abacus. So 9 hundreds are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And next, how many tens are there? 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. How many ones are there? 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Completed, children? Okay. Next, turn the paper, page number 12. Page number 12. So, representation on abacus. Understood, everybody? Representing on abacus. Now, expanded forms. Again, take out your classworks, ma. Take out your classworks. Practice zone 4. So, write the expanded form of the following numbers. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. So first one, 346 cities. So we have to write the expanded form. Already I taught expanded form now. So what is the place value of 3? Ones, tens, hundreds place. So what is the place value of 3? 300 plus 40 plus 6. That's all. And next expanded form is, read this number. Yes, it is 625. So again, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So what is the place value of 6? 600 plus 2 in tens place. So 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. And the next one, 748. What is the expanded form of 748? Before writing the expanded form, first write down the place values. Ones, tens and hundreds place. So 7 in which place? Hundreds place. So place value of 7 is 700 plus 40 plus 8. Okay? And the last one, 849. Same, write the place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 849. So 8 in which place? Hundreds place. So 800 plus 4 in tens place. So what is the place value of 4? 40 plus 9 in ones place. So its place value is 9. So 800 plus 40 plus 9. Everybody understood number names, place values, representing on abacus and expanded forms? Understood for everybody? Okay, good. Now today's homework is today's homework is take out your workbooks. All of you take out your workbooks. Page number 5. In page number 5, first bit, second bit, third bit. First bit is number names. And next is in second bit you have to write the place values of underlined digit. And next representing on the abacus. Third bit. And the next fourth bit is expanded form. Expanded form. So here 347 is there now. So we can write expanded form in two ways. Hundreds plus dash tens plus dash ones. And like this also given. In two ways they are given. 347 now. So how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. So 3 in hundreds place. And next, how many tens are there? 4 tens. So write 4 in tens place. And 7 ones are there. So write 7 in ones place. And in one more method, directly already we learn in classwork now. So 300 plus 40 plus 7. So in these two ways you have to write place values. So today's homework is in page number 5, first bit, second bit, third bit, and in page number 6, fourth bit. So these are your homework sums. So note down your homework. Page number 5. First, second, third bits. And next page number 6. Page number 6, fourth bit. In worksheet. In worksheet. So this is your homework. Very simple. Everybody has to do your homework.